Hey guys, so today I'm going to tell how to prepare something. So we know that the pamphlets, right, in small papers they will be giving some data about their product. So like that I'm going to show you how to prepare that pamphlet in the Microsoft PowerPoint. So you can prepare this pamphlet in any PowerPoint version. So I'm preparing in 2019 version PowerPoint. So when you open, you will be getting many templates. Here I'm choosing droplet because I like droplet, so I'm choosing droplet template and just click on create. In droplet template also you will be having many shades, colors, etc. So many shades and colors you will be having in droplet template. If you go to the design tool and go to variants, you can see that. See, so I like this, so I'm keeping this. And first let's remove this text and subtitle bar. Okay, so here I removed everything, so only the plain droplet slide is available. So first go to insert, then go to the shapes and then select the any shape you like that you wanted to create. So here first I am selecting this rectangle shape and from here I am drawing a shape of rectangle. I draw like this. So now I am going to extend it for the perfect size. For the perfect size I am extending. Okay, I extended. So here we are having many things. So here I'm going to, so if you click on right click you will get edit points. So click on edit points and I created some wave like this from middle, and here also I'm creating some upwards and here some downwards and this side some up and done. Okay, so I created a shape something like that, and I'm changing the shape fill. So first I'm going to keep the colors and see that according to this my droplet template which color is going to suit for this. So I kept this and then done. Okay, so look, we got a beautiful one. So again I'm clicking on that and shape outline. I'm removing the shape outline, no outline I'm keeping. So I'm keeping no outline. At the end I will again add the outline. For now I'm keeping no outline. Okay, so again go to insert and go to shape. So here I'm selecting this circle or oval kind of shape, and I'm drawing some width and length how much I needed. So I need this one, so I'm keeping like this. Kept like this and I'm increasing the size. Okay, so this is enough for me, so I kept this like this. And now the shape fill I'm selecting white, and shape outline I'm going to the weight, and I'm keeping this 3 pt, and the shape outline color also I'm keeping the shade which I kept for this down rectangular bar. Now I am going to insert, and so I wanted to create a pamphlet on beaches. So I am going to pictures. So I don't have any pictures, so I am going to online pictures. So here search Bing and beaches. So here we got right. So I'm selecting this one and insert. After inserting we have a small procedure to do. So after inserting, here in the right side you are having crop. So click on crop and crop to shape, and the shape which I selected I am cropping to that shape. and I crop it to that circle shape, and now I'm adjusting the size according to my circle. So you adjust the size according to your circle. So first let's take this to this circle. Okay, first I kept this one like this. Now I am going to adjust this, and the sides also I am going to adjust this. How much I want, I kept this and keep it to this side here in this circle. Okay, for now it is settled here like this, and now I am going to decrease the size according to this shape, according to my shape, and this down also I am going to decrease the size according to my shape, and done. Look, now I am going to insert and going to word art for different styles. So I am selecting this red one, and here I am typing my beach like the beach hotel name. So I am writing Novotel. So, and I am increasing this. So I increase this, and now I am turning this. So I am turning this. So now we are going to take this to and I am going to select this and increase the font size, and done. So actually I wanted to keep this as transparent, so I am trying to I will keep this transparent. So in order to keep transparent, I am going to convert to Smart Ant and just seeing that what is suiting for this, and this is suited, and just enter and just look now how creative, how unique is this. Done. I kept this and done. Novotel. Now I said about this rectangular outline, right? So here I went to this and I went to the format, and now shape outline. Wait, I am keeping 3 pt and black color outline. Done. Just file and just save, browse, and I am saving this in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation 1. Save. So I am saving in documents, presentation 1. Save. Done. So guys, so this is today's episode. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.